Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play the harmonica step by step. First, select a diatonic harmonica, typically in the key of C, which is ideal for beginners. Hold it comfortably between your thumb and forefinger, ensuring a relaxed grip. Focus on breathing deeply from your diaphragm, not your chest, to produce a full and resonant sound. This foundational technique is crucial for developing good tone and control as you learn. Next, let's master single notes. Pucker your lips as if you're sipping through a straw, creating a small, focused embouchure. This helps isolate a single hole on the harmonica, allowing you to play one clear note at a time. Practice blowing and drawing on holes 4, 5, and 6. These central holes are excellent for developing precision and control, which are essential for playing melodies. Now, let's play your first simple song. A great starting point is Mary Had a Little Lamb, which uses only a few notes. Find a harmonica tab chart online to guide your note sequence, indicating whether to blow or draw on specific holes. Practice slowly at first, concentrating on smooth transitions between notes. Consistency and patience are key to building muscle memory and playing melodies confidently. To truly progress, consistent practice is vital. Aim for at least 15 minutes daily. Once comfortable with single notes, experiment with bending notes by changing your mouth shape and air pressure. This technique adds expressive depth to your playing. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep exploring different songs and styles to expand your harmonica skills and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.